This is a true story that happened in a village in the Indian subcontinent in the early 20th century, and from which we learn the lessons of truth, honesty, and the importance of time. A farmer, whose name was Ali Bakhsh, in a small village, farming. He used to do it. His life was simple, but principled. He never wronged anyone and always spoke the truth, even if it caused him harm. The villagers looked at him with respect. One day, his fields while working, he found a small, shiny brass box. When he opened it, there were gold coins inside. Ali Bakhsh was surprised, but immediately thought in his heart, "This is not the fruit of my labor. It is someone's lost. It's a windfall." He thought that if these coins were kept, his poverty could be ended. The children could receive a good education, and life would become comfortable. But his conscience was stopping him. He took the coins to the villages, went to Chowdhury, who is considered the elder and just person of the village. Chowdhury gathered all the villagers and announced that if anyone claims this treasure, they should come forward. A few days later, an old traveler came to the village and said that he had buried the treasure under the tree and forgotten it when he had to escape the bandits. He described the details of the coins in the box, which were absolutely correct. Chowdhury praised Ali Bakhsh's honesty, and the traveler happily gave half a coin to Ali Bakhsh as a reward. Ali Bakhsh used that money to improve his land and on the education of his children. In a few years, he became one of the prosperous and respected farmers in the village. Truthfulness and integrity bring more sustainable success and honor than temporary benefits. Honesty is never wasted, but will be rewarded when the time comes.